Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video of our C++ tutorial series. In this video we will learn to set up Visual Studio Code for C++ programming. I will provide these links to you in the description. First link will take you to the website where you can download VS Code. I am downloading it on a Windows 10, so I will be clicking on Windows. You can choose according to your own system. The download will start as soon as you click it. Second link is to download MinGW. Copy the link and paste it on Google Chrome and download will start automatically. Follow the steps just as I am doing. Copy this path and paste it in a text document. It will be used later. Wait for installation to complete. Add /MinGW64/bin to the path and copy it. Hit the search bar, type environment variables, and click on it. Now click on Path, then click on Edit, and then click on New. Here you will paste the path and click OK. Now you should install VS Code by running the executable file in the Downloads folder. The installation is complete, create a new folder, and then right-click on it and open it with VS Code. There are two main extensions that you should install for C++ programming. Click this icon and type C. Install the first one that says C/C++ IntelliSense. The second extension to install is Code Runner. Now go to this gear icon here and click on Settings. In the Search tab, type Code Runner. And then on the left, click on Run Code Configurations. Scroll down and tick the box that says Run in Terminal. are now good to go. Now you can close the current tab. Click on the icon on top and create a new file. Enter the name of your file with the extension .cpp and press enter. Here you will type in your code. Run the code, click on the play button towards the top right. The output is displayed in the terminal. If you have any questions or requests, kindly direct them to the comment section. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe.